Ophthalmology department in Thika level 5 is a department which serves the whole of this region and the people even from further regions, because Thika level 5 being the biggest hospital in Kiambu receives so many patients, and we are very glad anytime we receive any support from our partners. We have many partners whom we are willing to partner with, and we intend to make sure that this project starts immediately. Yeah, we have so many projects which are lined up. It's only that we don't have sufficient funds. We have departments which we need to expand, like the orthopedic departments. We also need to build units like psychiatry units, and there's a lot of work which needs to be done, and we'll be very glad if you get any help from anybody. Thank you very much. ENT section, we take more than, we see more than 100, depends on the day, on where we have the clinic, the walk-in, walk-outs. We have surgeries like 25 in our one single day, and the others which are outpatients more than 100, 150.
We are here to assist the Thika level 5 in building and also equipping the eye unit which is here, which was done 20 years ago and which will help the needy people of Thika. At the same time, the amount that we are here to donate today is 10 million shillings, which will also be looked upon, I'm sure, by the board and by the Thika level 5 management in a great way to expand and help the people near to Thika.
We have here Milan Shah from the Jain Youth League, who have brought us today a check of 10 million shillings, which will be used to build and expand the eye unit at Thika level 5 hospital. We shall also be using some of that fund to do an infrastructural expansion, and the rest of the funds will be used for equipment which can assist our ophthalmologists to provide better health care and services to our eye patients. When the eye unit was built about 20 years ago, now currently the number of patients and the number of cataract surgeries needed and other ailments have increased rapidly in our hospital. Our unit is the largest in this county, and in fact the only place where surgeries are done for